2014. For the above purpose, Chief Executive Officer, Ad hoc Campa, released on 10 January 2015, 869 crore, 0.442 crore, phase 1 to the Embassy. Further, as per the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court of India on August 2017, any iron ore or manganese ore extracted contrary to the Environmental Impact Assessment (EIA) notifications of 1994 or 2006 would constitute illegal and unlawful mining, and compensation at 100% of the price of the mineral should be recovered from 2000 to 2001 onwards. As on 31st March 2022, 16,833.54 crore were deposited by the mining leases with the Embassy Fund as compensation money phase 2 for development work in the mining affected areas. The performance audit on management of Odisha mineral bearing areas development corporation fund was conducted with the focus on the planning process for selection of Embassy projects in the mining affected areas, the financial management of the Embassy projects, the implementation of projects, assessment of the desired outcome, and monitoring mechanism and internal control system. So in the planning part, the Honorable Supreme Court of India, in its judgment, which is para 215, directed that on 2nd August 2017, that the SPV of Embassy would undertake specific tribal welfare and area development works so as to ensure inclusive growth of the mineral bearing areas while taking up such projects works. A bottom-up planning and participatory approach was to be followed. The project monitoring unit of Embassy submitted June 2020 the prospective plan containing the set of proposals for the next 10 years. However, this plan had not been approved by the Embassy as of April 2023 for implementation, which is there in para 2.2.1. You can see the details. The Central Empowered Committee, in its report dated 17 January 2018, recommended collection of compensation amounts from mining leaseholders who had violated the FC Act and or the EC environmental clearance. However, the Steel and Mines Department had not taken any effective steps to recover the amount of rupees 3,966